just made, as you saw, my matcha latte. I make it at home. I just have matcha powder, almond milk, my milk frother, my Keurig to make hot water. It's super easy. It's super hot right now. I'm not gonna drink it. But yeah, I just woke up a little bit ago and I thought I would film a weekend in my life. I have some fun things going on this weekend. I'm planning on doing a photo shoot today with a photographer, and then I'm gonna go get dinner with a friend and hopefully go see my family tomorrow. And also, maybe, I forgot, I'm gonna tour an apartment today sometime because I move out of this place in May and I need to find a place to live because my roommate is moving to Columbus and I am staying here, so I want to find a place to live, and so I'll probably take you guys with me to look for more apartments. The goal is to find something kind of close to work, so that's what I have going on this weekend, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm probably going to make breakfast, so I'll show you that. I think we're going to have avocado toast today, so I'll film that, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I made my avocado toast. It was kind of a mess. I like make it into a sandwich because I use Ezekiel bread instead of regular bread, so like, I don't know. Anyways, I've had breakfast now, and I think I'm gonna like clean my room a little bit. It's kind of a mess, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm probably gonna get ready for the day. This lighting is weird. Get ready for the day, and I will check back in with you guys. Nothing too exciting. Super lazy Saturday morning. It's like super snowy and icy out. You can see that. So yeah, just gonna get ready. So I cleaned my room and like did a little vacuuming. It looks so cute now. And I'm just gonna like do my skincare, probably do my hair, I think. And then I'm also gonna like get ready for the day. I wanted to film like an everyday makeup video, so I'm gonna do that like separately from this. So I'll put that up as like a separate video. So that's kind of my plan for like what's going on. Like I said, it's been like a chill morning for sure. So I thought I would like walk through my like morning time skincare routine. It's like pretty simple, but why not? So obviously you gotta pull your hair back. Just like start the water, and then I use this looks so ratchet. I use this Clinique like soap in the morning time. At night I use like a face brush in the shower. My sink's down there. So just like a quick wash. And then we're gonna tone. So I use, this is the Clinique toner. just like go over this with your whole face. So I'm like really into skincare, and I actually work with like a local like medical spa. So I want to like do like more in-depth videos on skincare, and then like also the procedures that I go get done, like microneedling and hydrofacials and dermaplaning and stuff like that. So I like plan to do more skincare videos because I really love it. So then next I'm gonna take a vitamin C serum and just pop this on my face. And then 2 pumps of this Clinique lotion, and then I also take a hydration serum and do a pump of that and just like mix it up, rub it in. So yeah, anyways, I wanted to do like more skincare videos like coming up because I think it's so cool and I love skincare. So, to come, I promise. And then final step, I told you this was quick. Some Mario Badescu rose water spray. Boom, done. That's my skincare routine. I'm gonna go get ready and I will be back. Like I said, I'm gonna film kind of like get ready with me video separate from this, so see you in a bit. Okay, so I got ready and then I like have been obsessed with TikTok for like a few hours even, and so like I tried to make a TikTok. It's so hard, okay? But I figured it out and I uploaded my first TikTok. It was pretty lit. I'll put it in here, I think. I can do that. Yeah. So, follow me on TikTok, Maddie_makes_it. I'm gonna go make more. Hey guys, so I literally just spent the last like good hour making okay, I'm covering my camera, making TikTok videos. I have 2 now, by the way. But I realized that it's like almost 2 o'clock and I'm supposed to go meet my mom to tour this apartment. So that is where we're headed now. I'm gonna take you guys with me and hopefully it's cool. I'm just like dressed. Hang on, I'll show you my outfit in a second. Forces, skinny jeans, and like a turtleneck because like I said, it's freezing out. So here I am. And I'm off to go see this apartment and I'm gonna take you guys with me because I want to show you what I'm up to and also what the apartment looks like. So I just finished my apartment tour and I will put some videos of like the like clubhouse area in this, but I really liked it. I like the area and the price is good and I'm just like kind of excited about it and I'm like thinking that I might wanna maybe apply. We'll see. It's like exciting. Keep you posted. Hi, good evening. This is my friend Carly. So I told you I was meeting her for dinner tonight. We've been
Surprise! It's now a midnight snack.
We met at 5:30. It is now, what time is it?
8:15.
We have been here for like 3 hours.
Yep. And still, there's empty tables around and they're not seated.
Just wanted to update you guys. I'm not slacking on the vlog.
No, there's just nothing to report.
They're slacking on seating us.
Yeah. We've done nothing but stand here.
So I'll keep you updated when we get a table, when we order this bomb sushi,
Yes.
and get more wine.
Cheers.
Oh, that was good. Okay, we're seated. We're seated.
Finally.
We got some food. We ordered. We have more wine.
We got wine.
We do. This is the food. That's the wine.
That's
So good. There's more coming.
It's just the beginning.
To be continued.
The night is young.
You might have to go to the Alright, what do we need now? More spicy too.
Hey guys, so I'm just getting home from dinner with Carly. Oh, this door is ridiculous. Okay. I'm just getting home and I had the freaking best time. I haven't seen her in so long and we like had the best talks and I have so much planned, like content, business, like I'm so excited because like we both just have a lot of the same visions and it's gonna be amazing. So I'm just getting home. I'm gonna like get ready for bed. It's like 10 p.m. which is late for me to just get home because I normally go to bed at 9:30 every night on like a work week. So I'm home and I just wanted to like update you guys. The food was literally so good. Like I haven't had good sushi like that in so long, so I'm happy and I was so happy to catch up with Carly. Like, we needed the hours. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'm just gonna get ready for bed. I probably will be done vlogging for today. Tomorrow morning I think I'm gonna do a shoot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys had a great day and I will keep you updated. Happy Saturday night. Hi, good morning. Happy Sunday. I woke up a little bit ago and I just like had some coffee and chatted with my roommate about some things, told her about the apartment that I got. And now I'm just gonna get ready. I'm gonna go to my photo shoot today. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Hey guys, so it is now Sunday afternoon. I did my shoot and I went to my parents' house, very uneventful. I'm now back home. Well, the shoot was not uneventful. It's actually freezing out today. It's like a good 15 degrees outside with like a -7 wind chill. So that was so fun. But now I'm home and I'm meal prepping, which is something I do every Sunday. Very Kaylin Nicholson inspired with our gisting, okay? Get your shit done. But I just like to meal prep every Sunday because then I'm ready for the week to eat all week at work. So like I have my lunches made and prepped and ready for the week. So I was gonna walk you guys through what I normally make, or one of like the meals that I like to make. So I have rice on the stove right now, and I'm going to cook some This is whack. I'm sorry about this. Okay. I'm gonna cook some chicken breasts in the oven, and I just do some like seasoning on them. It's really simple, so we can walk through that. And then I'm gonna put some broccoli in the microwave and like cook it up, and then we'll put it in our little meal prep containers and we'll be good to go for the week. So, special trick with the way I make my rice. This is just like regular jasmine rice. And I bring it to a boil in the pan. And then I take like a pot like this and just pour the rice into the pot and put it in the oven, okay? So I literally just take this then, it's steaming, it's hot, and I'm gonna put it in the oven to cook, okay? And you dump water and all with the rice, like all into the pot. And in the oven, it's gonna cook off and it's gonna get big. And it's literally like Chinese takeout rice. Like, it's so good and it's so fluffy and delicious. Like, I'm obsessed with it. The chicken is like a little bit of a different story. So I normally freeze my chicken. So I just like had this out thawed. I'm gonna take a pan like this, spray it with coconut oil, cooking spray, just so it's greased and ready. And then I'm gonna take my chicken and I'm just like literally gonna season it. This is a lot of chicken, I feel like. These are like big breasts. So I'm seasoning it. This is such like a kind of ratchet way to do it. I apologize. I'm putting it in the pan. I'm gonna get the other one out and I'm gonna do the same thing. Just like keep like a minimal mess, basically. And this is just spice it up Asian seasoning, because I'm gonna do like chicken teriyaki this week, basically. So that's done then. You have your chicken ready to go. Same thing we did with the rice. I'm literally just gonna pop it in the oven and it's gonna be awesome. I'm all done meal prepping. Excuse the dishwasher, it's loud, but chicken, broccoli, rice, 4 days I make it. I'm traveling one day, and then I did teriyaki on the side, so it's all ready to go. So exciting, so yum. Hey guys, so I realized I hadn't checked in with the vlog in a minute. I am just at my computer working on some stuff. I actually work with, as I mentioned before, a medical spa, and they're like kind of doing a relaunch since they're moving spaces, and I'm working on doing like a lookbook procedure type thing for them right now. So I'm kind of just working through that, not doing much, watching some YouTube and sitting at my computer. Sort of a boring Sunday, but I've also been really productive today, and I want to like brainstorm more ideas of like videos that I want to do and stuff. So let me know in the comments below if you have things you want to see me do. Like I said, I definitely want to do more skincare stuff and like procedures, and I want to also do kind of like a corporate work life series, because I work from 8 to 4:30 Monday through Friday at like a very corporate automotive company. So I think that would be cool if I shared some advice on like how to do those things, how to apply for a job, do a resume, like that whole thing. I'm down to do stuff like that too. So if you're interested in, or whatever you're interested in, comment below, let me know. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight, because I just like am not doing anything else exciting. I might like watch some Netflix, like Portlandia later, and get to bed pretty early because it's Sunday and I want to get some good rest so I can have a productive week. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, click subscribe, and I will see you all soon. I like vlogs and I want to do more fun vlogs, so yeah, bye guys.